We all gathered here today to pay our last respects to AirPower, a device that Apple was supposed to release in 2019. Well, we just got final word that AirPower, made by Apple, is not coming out for the iPhone, AirPods, and stuff like that. So let's go on and funeralize AirPower. So pallbearers, members of the congregation, it's funeral time for Apple. So let's go. Welcome, members of the congregation that's in attendance and pallbearers behind me. It's funeral time of the Apple AirPower. I remember back in 2017, Phil Schiller walked across the stage to introduce the win-all be-all for us Apple fans. He talked about AirPower. What is AirPower? It is a wireless charging mat, a very special mat that's supposed to be for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and your AirPods. Well, in 2019, Apple officially killed the project, saying it wasn't ready for prime time, saying it does not meet Apple standards. But why? Why? 2 years ago, Phil Schiller says nothing out there like it. This is supposed to be the win-all be-all of wireless mats, and it didn't come out. Now, we all know they got third-party mats out there. Even Samsung make a fast wireless charging mat. Why Apple couldn't do it? Was the technology over Apple's head? Well, unfortunately, it was, because they killed the project. Why would Apple do that? What's going on with Apple? Why Apple is in this slump? So I've been seeing people start to receive the AirPod 2s in the mail. And on the box, it has AirPower, but it's been scrapped. So if it's been scrapped, why the packaging doesn't reflect that? What's going on with Apple? This is not Apple. This is not how Apple operates. Apple is the win-all be-all, supposed to have their stuff together. Unfortunately, that's not the case. They're promoting something that they killed off. I mean, we're having a funeral about AirPower, and not too long ago, it was featured on their website. So what's going on with Apple? Is it miscommunication, mismanaged? What's going on with Apple? Let's go back down to memory lane back in 2017, and let me show you a short clip of what Phil Schiller said on stage. Check this out.
It's a mat that you place your iPhone 8 or iPhone 10 down, and it just starts to charge. And there's a beautiful new interface. It doesn't stop there. You can place your Series 3 Apple Watch down on it, and it starts to charge as well. And you can place your AirPods with the optional new wireless charging case on it, and it starts to charge as well.
So as you can see, Phil Schiller got on stage and he talked about AirPower like it was already ready to go. They talked about it and they said that it was going to be released the next year, and it didn't happen. It got delayed. We've been seeing many reports on why it's been delayed. But now we've got the final verdict that it's dead. As we move along in 2019, we start to see a lot of innovation going on. I mean, I'm excited about what we've seen. The Galaxy Fold, we've seen 5G, we've seen all kinds of good things that's happening, a lot of competition. Even LG coming out with devices that's intriguing. But what Apple's going to bring to the table? What is Apple going to bring to the table besides services? Besides services, we want innovation. We want Apple to get it together. Give us fans what we want. Don't just announce a product and you can't deliver. Don't give us a pipe dream and you cannot deliver. So as a consumer, I want Apple to succeed. I want Apple to give us a product that's good. I want Apple to give us something that's worthy. I want Apple to give us something because we know we're going to pay a lot of money for it. We want it to be a premium product. We want it to work good, look good, feel good. Unfortunately, AirPower was not up to their standard. Don't know why, but it is what it is. So pallbearers, members of the congregation, let's say our last goodbyes to AirPower. As we bow our heads, we want to say our last goodbyes to a product that I was anticipating on in 2019. Wow, maybe, just maybe, Apple might go back to the drawing board and give us something in the future. But right now, AirPower is dead. Wow. This is Eric from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the funeral of AirPower in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.